Hello and welcome. We are students from Kolej Vokasional Likas representing our innovation project titled Multimeter Learning Kit under project code SS276.
This project was developed by our team, consisting of Holland Abigail Stanley as the team leader, myself Ida Grace Joffrey, Presenta Edilione, and guided by our dedicated supervisor, Juan Roslin Binti Indisi.
Multimeter is one of the most used testing kits. However, many students find it difficult to understand its function. Our project aims to simplify learning through an interactive simulation kit.
Students often struggle with concepts like direct current ampere, direct current voltage, alternating current voltage, and ohm scale. Traditional teaching methods are less interactive. That's why we created a simulation kit that's easy to understand and engaging.
Our objectives are to build an interactive multimeter simulation kit to help students understand DCA, DCB, ACB, and ohm range. And lastly, to provide multimodal learning through simulation and QR-linked video tutorials.
Next is Sustainable Development Goal. This project supports SDG 4, which is quality education, by promoting hands-on and digital learning. Next, this project also supports SDG 9, which is industry, innovation, and infrastructure, by encouraging innovation in technical education.
Our kit uses Arduino Uno as the controller. Push buttons allow users to select ACB, DCA, DCB, and all ranges. An LCD displays simulated readings. QR codes link to learning videos for deeper understanding.
So this is our circuit design. It connects the Arduino Uno to the LCD and buttons, allowing users to interact and view simulated readings.
Here's the flow of our system. It starts with a welcome message. When a button is pressed, the corresponding LED lights up and the LCD displays the simulated value. QR codes provide additional learning support.
Our kit is visual and interactive. It helps students understand resistance scaling in a fun way and makes teaching and learning more practical and engaging.
Here's a demonstration of our kit. When a button is pressed, the LED will light up and the LCD shows the simulated readings. This hands-on experience reinforces theoretical knowledge.
Our Multimeter Learning Kit inspires innovation in technical education and helps students master essential